Hook. Something strange is happening in the job market today. On one side, young people are desperately trying to get hired. They're polishing their resumes, writing applications, and now using tools like ChatGPT and AI to make themselves stand out. But here's the twist: the companies, the HR managers, the recruiters, they are also using AI to filter, analyze, and even reject these same applications. It's almost like a digital war: humans and AI on one side versus humans and AI on the other. And the result? Silence. Job offers aren't coming. The market feels frozen. And the question we must all ask ourselves is this: what is our future? Are we walking into the light of progress or the darkness of collapse? The resume arms race. Let's pause and think about this for a second. In the past, writing a resume was an art. It was personal. It showed who you are. Today, an AI can generate a perfect resume in 30 seconds. Clean formatting, tailored keywords, flawless grammar. Sounds great, right? But here's the problem. If every candidate is now submitting an AI-polished resume, then every resume looks the same. What happens when HR receives 100 perfect applications? They don't see people anymore. They see patterns. And that's when they turn to their own AI systems, algorithms that read, rank, and reject within seconds. So now it's AI written resumes, fighting against AI filters. And where are the humans in all this? Lost, invisible. The frozen market. Talk to young graduates today. They'll tell you, I applied to 50 jobs and never even got a reply. Applications disappear into the digital void. Companies, overwhelmed by thousands of AI-polished resumes, raise the barriers higher. More tests, more screenings, more ghosting. The irony is chilling. We built AI to help us get jobs. Instead, it's making it harder to be seen as human. The job market feels frozen. Not because talent is missing, not because opportunities don't exist, but because the process itself has turned into an automated battlefield where real people get lost between lines of code. The human cost. Let's talk about the human cost of this AI arms race. Imagine being 22 years old, fresh out of college. You pour your heart into learning new skills. You dream about contributing, building, creating. And then you realize your future isn't decided by a conversation, a handshake, or an interview. It's decided by whether your AI-generated resume had the right keywords to pass another AI's filters. This isn't just frustrating, it's dehumanizing. When talent goes unnoticed, when passion gets ignored, when creativity is buried under automation, we're not just freezing the job market, we're freezing human potential. Light or darkness? So here comes the big question. What is our future? Are we heading into the light? A world where AI removes the boring tasks, helps humans shine, and creates entirely new opportunities? Or are we heading into darkness? A world where machines decide who works and who doesn't, where human uniqueness is erased, and where young people lose faith in the very system that's supposed to support them? The truth is, we are standing on the edge. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now to millions of people worldwide. And the scariest part, most of us don't even realize it. The way forward. But it doesn't have to end in darkness. The answer is not to stop using AI. The answer is to reclaim our humanity. If you are a job seeker, don't just copy and paste what AI gives you. Add your story, add your truth. Show the scars, the struggles, the lessons that no machine could ever understand. If you are in HR, don't let AI make the final decision. Let it be a tool, not a gatekeeper. Look for the spark that makes someone human. And if you are listening right now, feeling lost or frozen in this system, remember this: you are not your resume. You are not your application. You are a human being with potential that no algorithm can ever truly measure. The future isn't written yet. The pen is still in our hands. Call to action. So, what do you think? Are we walking into the light or sliding into the dark? If you care about the future of work, if you feel the weight of this frozen market, then share this message. Let's start a conversation that the world cannot ignore. Because this is not just about jobs. This is about our humanity. and the time to act is now. Pause. Music fades. This is the story of our time. And maybe, just maybe, if we raise our voices together, the future won't be decided by machines, but by us.